Health officials in Idaho say 3 women have died from complications of the flu. All were over 50 years old and lived in the southern part of Idaho. They are the first flu-related deaths in that state this season. Health officials say flu season is off to an early start this year, especially in the southeast U.S., and the main strain could be pretty serious. KREM 2's Brianna Roy checked on the status of the flu here in Spokane County. She joins us live with whether or not the flu arrived early here. Brianna?
In fact, it did, Jane. Spokane County's first confirmed flu case this year came more than a month earlier than last year. But health officials still tell me there's no need for us to be concerned about the spike they're seeing in the southeast. Local pharmacies have vials of vaccination on hand to protect the public from influenza. And many people already got theirs, hoping to avoid the flu and the symptoms that come with it.
Flu just brings you down, your aches and pains, and sinuses are all stuffed up.
Well, we haven't had any people come in with the flu yet, but we've had a lot of interest in it. A lot of people are getting their shot this year.
The influenza outbreak in the southeast U.S. is worrying some health officials that the flu season could be earlier than we've seen in nearly a decade. The Spokane Regional Health District tracks hospitalized flu cases. Last year, the first confirmed flu case in the county came on November 29th. This year, it came more than a month earlier than that, on October 3rd. And last year at this time, there was just 1 hospitalization from the flu in Spokane County. So far this year, there's been 3. But the experts at the health district say these cases are so few, it's not enough to draw a pattern.
It's a little hard to know what to expect, just like every other year, but that is concerning that there's so much flu in the southeast so early in the year.
Still, local pharmacists and the health district are tracking what's happening around the country, so when the flu does arrive in full force, they can alert the community. But they say now is the time to prepare.
The more people that get the vaccine, then the less it gets spread in the community as a whole.
The flu season typically peaks in February and March in our area, but those health experts still tell me now is the time to get vaccinated, especially since it takes between 2 and 3 weeks before that vaccination becomes effective. Live in Spokane, Brianna Roy, KREM 2 News.